In this exercise, we are going to focus on increasing awareness and lengthening the psoas. Your psoas is your deepest core muscle, running from your lumbar spine through the pelvis to the inside of your femur, and is responsible for hip flexion, postural support, and external rotation of the legs. If the psoas is overly tight, it can cause strain on the lumbar spine and limit flexibility in the hips. As a guide to finding your own psoas, lay on your back with your knees bent. Find the halfway point between the crest of your hip bone and your belly button on each side. Then gently sink your fingers down towards your spine. By lifting each leg, you should feel the psoas engage and lift towards your fingers. To lengthen the psoas, start from this position and gently push into your heels, curling your tailbone up towards the ceiling, slowly peeling your spine off of the floor. Try to keep your abs relaxed, letting your belly button drop back towards your spine. Once your hips and back are off the ground, take a deep breath. As you exhale, try to roll one vertebrae at a time back down to the floor from sternum to tailbone. A more active psoas stretch starts by laying on the floor on your side with the bottom arm reaching back and the top arm reaching forwards, pushing your chest away from the floor. Keep your bottom leg in front of you to stay stable and reach your top leg back behind you, keeping your hips square so that your top hip is pushing forwards, not opening to the ceiling. Keep your big toe touching the floor as you move. You should feel the stretch deep inside of your hip. You can also experiment with opening up the hip towards the ceiling and feel what that does